Would you rather be pregnant or contract? Is it contract or contact? HIV. Contract.
Contract.
Between the two.
HIV, open up my pills or you drink your pills every day.
Everyone rolling. Camera 2 rolling.
Ngathu. Ingabi nervous.
Chilanani episode 32 action. Ma.
Funa ukuvela ngenkani.
Yeah, ngingani intaba.
Andwa.
Aqaba wayafuna ukuvela ngenkani. Benza sure ukuthi episode yakhe mengaphumanga uvelile.
I was there with the entourage. I was there. Take us through.
Yasho bafethu uye staff lo mfana se 4075. I'm here with the pretty boy G. Siphethe usiya ngapha, siphethe no Snoopani.
Yes,
Nobody.
Hey. Hey, siya Foster yo.
Hey, dog.
Sona beshaye. Why sila futhi?
Eka, sayifuna lento.
You never get tired.
Never.
Hey guys, mina ngikhathela, I don't lie.
Namnyeva.
I was up and down yesterday.
That's
Oh, dog.
Yabona ngiqona ngaphathaphatha.
Yo.
Yabona ngiqona ngaphathaphatha. Enyawo lami lidumbile.
Yeah,
Now unele Coco syndrome.
Yabona ke.
Yabuza.
No depende.
Yeah.
Kumuntu ongabe ngespeak.
oh shit.
I wouldn't blame you though because hey, into ezenzakala izolo dog.
Hey.
Hey.
You look packed.
Yeah. But for context sake, gents, plus but si hostile izolo we asiko overdose today. But
Yeah,
it's
Vanaka
supposed
siko
to overdose. Like we had like a PVT party. People pulled through. It was nice.
Asho kamapela ngiyahlanya kushuthi kahle like mina I was in there. I was sick. Shoot
How you
ngihlanya.
feeling now?
Still sick because like
Bokula ngestomach boy.
bheka boy. Ngihambisa isisu dog. Bengekho la dog. And manje mangakutshela ukuthi why bengekho la. Now ngagula.
Asifuna ukwazi. Asifuna ukwazi.
Yeah. Awuphatshele notutsi vato. Promo please.
Shout out to Pub and Grill White House. Was hostile vandag.
Shout out. Yeah.
Done.
Hey, dog.
Like it's next gig after this.
Yeah.
Siyadlala ngo9.
That dope ass poster. Athi ungayifaka post production. Yo, fana yami.
Fana le
Poster is nice. It's the blue and orange one. But yeah, shout out to Mtimbani, DJ Stripes. Stripes say it's DJ Stripes okay. It's Stripes say.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but yeah.
Change.
Shout out to him who is plugging ngale ndawo lena. He plugged us ngegig. He's pushing something. Support the boy. Sundays he's chilling every time. Lime Fundo Park Pub and
Grill White House.
Yeah. Kids on us.
Kwale White House le ngasathani.
What's that son?
Lapha la kuvula ngo2. La kuvula ngo2 khona.
Ngiyayibona.
2 AM.
Ngiyayibona
Sound.
White House layer says preview.
Yeah.
Oh, extra.
The whole night ithulile. Wacala wathi 2 o'clock mabavale
inkinga
indawo.
ezilacala khona.
And the van. Wena ngakushiya lapho sithola so sempumalanga.
Ngavuka ekseni sempumalanga boy.
Joe,
Uyangifonela. Useka bonini uvato kusiyompumalanga. Karabu is crazy.
mina ngikhalela umama ke mo.
Ngicela khambeni.
Talk to me.
Kuthi maye besibuya ekoneni namachimbuzi.
Sure.
Sibani okay. Lokhela uthi mina ngifuna ukuya White House. I'm like ntwana, mina ngifuna ukuyehla la ngoba ngayehla la. bad decisions ayengayehla boy ayengehla nhlangana intwana zami sivanga star zithi kimi boy so bhekele imatch kusasa eMpumalanga sivale
Imagine.
bafana bedlala neCanada semkiya ngithi
Oh, so you guys were going there to
eMpumalanga fokubhekela imatch
Escreenini ne?
Imagine.
mamela screen insane mpaka sibhekelele
I'll post shongo nix.
Ukakabu nokunyamalala iviki lonke.
Yazini, another one, yedwa. Yazi lo mchita lo mfethu was gone for like the whole weekend.
The whole weekend.
Plus a week, like plus days in a week.
hayi baba that's just Monday ngibuye Tuesday endlini
Apparently.
Uhambe nini?
ngihambe Saturday ngiqeda ukushoot
Uzositshela ukuthi bekhamba. What's going on?
what are we cool what's that now
Talk. Okay. But then, yeah, please tell us, dog. Like, look, you velo nyamalala mfethu. Phone akayibambi.
How?
Ifoni belahlekile.
Entangabe kusene search party. Sekusele kangaka sikufake post missing. You know this host.
lalela ngintshela you know what happened then
Yeah.
shima Saturday wasiqeda ukushoota yi wonke umuntu ucofa indlela yakhe yabo nami ngadayivele khona la bengifuna ukuya khona ngathi
Yakhe indlela yalahleka.
hey ntwana
Hey, talk.
Always.
enata ish
Off road.
ya inoma ish konti ish savana machimbosi vie
Hayi, dog.
mana ngiyantshela ukuthi beseva yabo esashaya boy
Lapshaya.
ifoni angisayiboni yazi phone sishiye kuphi yabo lapha khabothi banga
Yeah.
khona lento le la ufaka khona amaphepha wedding
Mailbox.
mailbox
Yeah.
ifoni la
Hayibo.
boys abantu sayifonyela ayikho battery lo angina data
Ilokhu yaringa.
ilokhu yaringa la
Yeah.
and ayikhali ringtone ukusayile
Ngiyayeka nini lava thandisa amafoni silent.
manje mangibuya khona le outside mntwana sifonela ifoni yakho kwamagcina boy esayifonyela siyabonakala dala phayana
How zup.
zup zup leli
Uzolani?
mina let la ngaphandle say relax uma uleli makafona hama leli manama
Noma kuthiwa
elimamzu uthi wena
Mara ukarabu mara kabhema ama drugs mara. Mina lothi bangilo mina ngimthandi kuzana ukarabu khulumani naye.
and usually I always call that's the problem that's why beka concern ngoba ngimfonela njalo masinyamala
Singabuza ke ne? Like nje. Ifoni ifika kanjani ku mailbox?
Yeah, dog.
Or indi like bo text someone wena wacaba ukuthi you writing a mail.
maybe he was.
Wabona kahle ukuthi like isingigoqe.
hayi
Ipose like you don't actually send but kuyipose.
it's nothing like that acaba kambeni I think khona umuntu beka thoya etshontsha ayifaka nawe ayikhohlwa naye
Uyakhohlwa ne?
ya lo muntu lo uyifakela beka thoya etshontsha
Futhi kahle kahle bakuflathele baphinde bakuncedisa ngesikhathi
ebona manje
Damn bro.
Yo. Usiba lo, she was calling me as kissing, declining mistake ngifake one loudspeaker.
Phela tsana like vele. Like ngibonile ne? Masintu.
hello
Wini?
Ngibonile.
hello
Ngibonile.
oh ngena
Asifuna ukuringa ngithi.
Yes, ngariki ta.
ngena nge-entrance lapha
Ngigcina baza ngama-4 series angekho.
Hey ndoda.
Ngama-4 ngama-Porsche 911 angekho.
what
What's going on? Okay, can carry on.
the voice
Hey Joe,
continue boy
you have a man, I'm an artist. Are they signed under you? What's going on with you and your artist?
Never.
okay before salapho ne labantu bayafunda ne
No,
Yeah.
Can I
Be honest.
explain? No,
Be
can I
honest.
explain? Eh? Can I explain?
not shoot.
No,
Sibarashuta.
and I
Imani.
did send EVN to people. I was like, dog, we're not used to this.
But you're individual DJ.
Like that one, I don't even know by
Oh,
this
the
one.
CDJ.
Though. Yes, they're used to that one.
But
Everybody
Leah ngathi simple than Leah. Because you
That one is
DJ
more
laptop.
Obviously, but yeah, it's for beginners, right? And I'm gonna. It's so good like that.
Na i-DJ ile hamba ne-laptop so it's FLX
So they're not used to it.
It's a controller. The controller is much more simpler than everything.
Simpler than that.
So kusho about bazinto complicated.
That's our answer.
It's for upcoming DJs. So whenever everybody skip up, I shut to professional.
No, but like to be honest, ne, shout out to your artist. Shout out. Yeah, the set was nice.
Yeah,
ne. The set was nice.
Nama bebadla lithe in July. Abangayitholanga bazoyithola next year.
At July. Mara now shout out for the plug. Amachita vele mina. Even the next event engizoyenza. Uzobabisa.
Manje siyenza nini futhi? Maka leyo this time manje siyenza asenze word of mouth.
But the word of mouth was nice, dog, because at least that way you can confirm ukuthi ubani ozayo and stuff like that. Yeah.
And people
word of mouth. Than to like actually put it on like social media. As abanye abantu basana flex on social media.
Yeah.
Umuntu azenze like
It's cancelled.
like 200,000 yana likes.
Underscore was supposed to come.
What happened ngo underscore vele?
Yabona ntanga lento okukhuluma nama manager abantu.
Yamazi underscore.
Karabo.
Yeah.
Underscore key.
Yeah, ngemas.
Oh.
Lento okukhuluma nama manager. That's why mina I prefer ntanga uvele
Ngama number wakho ungringe nawo.
Yeah, like angithi like umuntu mfethu, nami umuntu siyakhulumisana uzongitshela if you can make it or not. It's not like ngiyakujuta.
Manje abanye akusabantu mas. Abanye akusabantu.
What do you mean?
Amayini.
Angithi mawubuya ngaphandle bathi awusumuntu.
Yo.
Lava society.
Our police brother.
Congolese.
Onko. Chini ke.
Yeah, mara yabona nokhawunyina naye. That's why ngimcontact street. Yena ungihlanganisa ne manager yakhe after sesikhulumile.
Yeah.
I thought mina I don't like this thing. Khona umntwana ephaswe yinto opportunity kanjalo. So this boy uyi MC, he's a great MC. Bekumele abe khona izolo mara ngile ngamncinci. Because ngicela ngamtext ane I hate umuntu yena ithatha isale. Mara I hate umuntu ongenza ibhari, you understand? Because untwana ngicela ngiringa naye ku Instagram ne. Uthi sharp ngithi ntanga give me your WhatsApp numbers because ngiphusha kakhulu ngeWhatsApp yabo.
Yeah.
So untwana gives me my number we artist yakhe. Sure ntanga I'm the manager of I'm like okay ngikhuluma nawe like uyazi ukuthi sikhulumana. Awungitshela ukuthi ngithi ntanga mina wanna deal with the artist straight. Because manje ngikhuluma ne-artist. So uzakhuluma ne-manager yakho. I need to know me.
Yeah.
It's not like ngitsothi, it's not like I'm random.
And ngikubhadala that's the thing. So ungikhulumisa ne-manager yakho ngikhulumisa ukuthi ngithini kuye. Kuba I'm gonna pay you.
I understand. You had a point. You wanted to say something.
I call in favors,
But like look, dog.
For now, babe.
For now. Yeah.
I try.
You actually pick. Like I into I go ngani. I keep ngani.
Shout out.
Into my color sing cool.
Yeah,
Bigger than whatever
yeah.
you thought it would be.
Yeah.
So most of the we call in favors. Dog.
Now we call in favors for now, my brother.
No, my man.
It's like
For now.
Na njami siyakhulisana.
Yeah.
Must be something like menyo ikhulisa kwasa like
You should understand one
We
thing
are
about it. I'm a favor. Ne? I won't ask for a favor from you knowing ukuthi mina ngiyenzele favor.
Yeah.
You understand?
Big on that.
And nakhona if let's say ngithi mfethu ngiyenzele favor, I know ukuthi now you can use me somehow.
As long as ngasi favor yemali, uthi like
Yabona imali yeah.
Ande nothi yemali khona lo thembisa abantu ama ride izolo.
Bro,
The first
Usiye ubizo wakho.
no, what lo siya lo.
no, ngemas.
Ambonanga
Who
izolo.
was collaborating? Do you even know that party was collaborated?
No.
Buke yethu le party. Buke yethu.
Dog lo muntu dog like hey.
Le artist thembisa yabona the first artist la abadlalile. Ezifika kimi eqeda ukudlala. Ntanga konje besiringa nobani la ngide ku. Ngikhuluma ngani nini? Bathi hawa man khona besikhuluma nayo uthi i-rider hey. Hey yo, i-rider ngicela ukuthi ngifanele uPretty Boy fast.
La David balika.
Athi ngifanele uPretty Boy fast. Ngicela ukuthi sidlala ngazo. Ekugcineni igcine seziyayibona ukuthi inkinga yile ya.
I understand. Because untwana nakhona uza kimi iparty sizophela. Untwana ngifuna uhlahla ama artist wami. Ukuthi uthale ukuthi yasayilanda le.
Iyo le ishaya emzulu. Ishaka mpama le ntwana izolo.
Umfishalo umzulu. Akusiyimi kodwa.
Bekafuna sifake iqoqo.
Ekushe ngifaka ipama ntwana.
Bekafuna sifake iqoqo.
Akahlala ngiqhaphaza ngithi my brother. Lesizulu sakho ngathi sinodlame wena.
Yazi ngithini ngithi okay ntwana ne random person ngidonsa i-random person ngithi ubani lo muntu lo
Abamazi.
athi angamazi ngithi ikutshelane lento lo mina ngakutshela igama lakhe lo muntu ngakhomba any random person in this party ngizokutshela igama lakhe
Yeah.
showing ukuthi yithi siyenzile I understand
bengana
audience we hoping ukuthi awuntwana uzo invite
Intwana platform kahle kahle like la nyapopa la.
Besides that untwana ne I won't lie thina si gibele
on top of
into because untwana wenzeni uhire like ukhiphe imali for event yabo and then we are like okay what also wanna host on the same day. I understand.
So let's collaborate.
I understand. Miscommunication comes. comes ndoda uzoveze imhlolo inkosi yami yabona ngiyajusta ndoda abantu bangibuza ndoda ahela ngicela laphi ngene
Yabona mfana ukuthi bonile like ama reflex.
What
but then in this communication started when I couldn't get my number wakhe like big intermediaries
intermediary ngesilungu middleman
dog ngishaye economics intermediary dog
middleman
you understand yeah
ngeke lana isilungu sandile
Mfethu we still fighting for the land. Kanti wena wenze njani kanti?
Ngathi ngihamba ngisifihle ehlathini ngawuya ngeyiwani
Ngiyamfonela kusasa.
ngiyithi bengihleli nezitsha zami na uhlathimeni no sweet
Okay, bheka. Mina ngithini? Uphuto umntana ngiyambiza bafa kumele uhambe.
ngiyini
Ubuyile?
hayi
Uze ngani?
ngihambile ngabuya amaphepha wonke so right
Amaphepha.
wonke
hayi nawo amaphepha benye ngimfaka epodcastini ngana
Sonke sinawo amaphepha guys.
unebe permit lo muntu bafethu uyasebenza lapha
Uyasebenza ne?
ya uyasebenza manje lento ayenza uyasebenza
ngazi text nje ya
Big boss.
Wena manje nje u expect something. Angithi uyazi ukuthi manje vele abantu bayafine.
hayi expect something you
Ayana yime nkoloti tax 27 rand ngam kanjani mfethu
ukolota kanjani
Now,
bayidonsa lento le from
umholo
you understand
yeah, but
I don't even understand
Chat yakho ukuthi wena uthole lokhu bokubhadala. Angithi like ama returns.
bayenzile
tax return.
you understand bayenzile but manje ibuye ukuthi mina ngiyakolota
Okay, no. Sengiyayibamba. Khona izinto eziphume ezingabhadalwanga.
ilento zama page wena man what
hey dog ay marai anyway yasidluleni la bafethu khabo I had dog please tell us what you actually do before ngiza kukhaya
I'm ready.
si ready jam
no you can continue
You ready?
yeah ngimbuza okay
Like mina anginayo into enyenza njalo yabo mina like versatile ngaleyo ndlela leyo khona ezinye izinto angakwazi ukuzisho kule platform lezi
konto ishilo ngaphandle kodwa uthe wena uyiphi uyilezi
Lezi like ekseni yaphela kuyafika kimi emsiyando like ukreni into short dona la mfethu like ngishanga journal page
Yeah.
ngithi abheka ntona nginali page
Yeah.
abheka scave
zish
maqeda siyaploma lapha kimi emuva angithi uyazi mase sicela ukushaya lephafu lokucala likhama ayi ntwana umntwana lo
so yavela
mntwana lo ngayo weekend lo mntwana ungizela ngamasini mntwana like yo
bese le wenzeni ntwana
nomuntu wewe
lapha nazani
nithu angithi usho vela sekavela nangekhona like eroomini sekathi ntwana wenzeni la mntwana lo bengekho masilibopha lezo sesililada
Yeah.
then uvela sekavela
yazivela wenzani
hayibo ntwana
Ntwana wenzeni uyavela sekakrashisa no ntwana pheke ngimamele ke wenzeni mntwana lo yazi ungenzile ezinye izinto but majethi kahle like mina ngumuntu wabantu
Yeah,
like
yeah.
anginayo i-title anginayo ukuthi mina ngenza ini
Yeah.
ngenza into ejabulisa inhliziyo yami yabo so manje mangathi kushawe na ngempama jabulisa inhliziyo yami ngiyayenza ay sorry
example kana ba sample nyana hawo
mangathi manje ngifuna ukusukuma ngishavelana ngishaya isitwetla ijabulisa inhliziyo yami understand like hayi indaba zokuthi
so no professional title nothing
ay professional
yeah professionalism like professionally what do you do
professional ngidana nix mfana cause lokho kuza ngama
unemployment?
amaphepha aza na like 9 to 5 nje yami yangihlula
so wena kahle
9 to 5
Uyaphila.
use UJ wena
ay no UJ mfana
University of Charting
no not charting endlini namanje mangafika endlini bazothi lo muntu asimazi ukuthi samgcina last week mangabe ngikhona endlini izolo endlini mfethu endlini like angeke endlini mangibone unless ngiphethe ibread
Yeah.
ngiphethe singo like wami endlini ngingaphethanga nix ngilengisa izandla like
yeah
shut up.
I understand yeah like angeke ngizomela uma olady ukuthi angizele
kancane
nesinkwa
askisi askisi njani ngicela ukuba raw askisi bafethu kancane
ngilibuzile ukuthi senikhathele ukubhekela ku YouTube lento
Khathe.
hayi
on this one alive vele yizo lezi isn't it AI
Mara,
shout out,
to put it in simple, then like I could just say like I'm a great personality.
Okay.
Yeah, like
Shout out.
Kabala was son like mama lang act. Angwazi ukact angazi ngayele actor mara phe ukushashana nokushashana.
you look like Masha Fe
yeah definitely ngathi lo ngavela
ngathi ngabe ungithengisele into engayazi nokuthi
athengisele ipen
njaya
ayidingi
No, uyadinga kanti uzosign lapha contract yakhe.
qalile
No, contract uzosign.
BP.
Ulungisana ngani contract?
The contract.
Kanti aren't you gonna be big?
Oh. Aish. Yabona umashaya. Umashaya.
So when you phela la?
No.
Nyana endorsement nyana
Kama sengize ngithi khuleka nje. It's fine.
It's fine.
Sesibonile, it's fine.
Show me your talent.
No, mara wouldn't it be crazy masinga hosta Force Local Talent
Ezishila nami ne.
ezichila nami.
njami inqondo yakho ngiyayibona ne.
I'm always thinking of ideas.
No, not Force Local Got Talent. Eastern's Got Talent.
Easter egg.
Yeah.
Mara okay, just for uyiqala like.
Yeah, kusale kancane kancane yeah. Phela mara sobona amanyala yo.
Angeke kubona amanyana njalo.
Khona uzofika thweke.
Slow.
That's also talent.
Talent.
But girls, show us your
Twerker uyi-talent.
Ngashinga talent lakho.
Akafuni. Last time ngathi asho talent lakhe.
Spokesperson.
Wamkhulumela.
Okusho wena uhola kayi2. Angazi ukuthi usebenzani manje. What are you? What are you currently? A representator or spokesperson?
Hayi, singithule fe.
Okay.
Can you show us your talent?
Speaking in my talent.
Yeah, mfethu angithi so host
For a living.
so host
For a living, for a living kumele si express talent.
Hayi wo. Kwenzakaleni usajolana manje?
Yeah, gone. Yo, down.
Oh, sengiyabona, that's how reserved namhlanje. Okay,
That's why I don't
Okay. I have a question.
Yeah.
Njengoba sowujola, what does your guy say about Finsta yakho?
Well, my man's Ugufinsta yam, so
Oh, umthole kanjalo.
not even.
Oh.
Okay, like doesn't it cause
Guys, I'm here to tell you true love Gufinsta. You can't find true love.
Ungayithola.
No.
Mhlambe ihamba bomala uthi yona
Phela
ngiyathanda.
uPinsta ngithi uposta izinto exclusive.
Yeah.
So doesn't your guy be like, "Hey,
Wait, le Finsta le
No. Before posta ngiyambuza ukuthi can I post this? Then
so umsendela amabele, can I post this baby?"
Yeah. How?
Yes.
And then I shoot yes. Post this.
Yeah.
Sex
How
for your
do you know
crib.
those postings?
Awuthi nasty yo.
Like me, I
There is
get
a feminist.
nasty like me and
Hey.
nasty people.
But shut up. Mina, can you please explain what you Finsta talk?
Yeah.
So if Insta it's a private account, fine, you create an account go IG, but you make it private, and then you only follow abantu Insta. You don't follow people that have main account.
So it's not like you're close friends.
If I am close friends, Mara acting, I don't know, man. Mara, you only follow.
If Insta,
Do you have a
no.
Insta?
I mean, I used to.
How?
We're supposed to send, and
My brother.
ngiyafuna ukuyihlaya.
Wait, I do whatever.
That makes you happy.
Thank you.
no post to send.
Yes, if it,
Angilkoloti.
Eliphakelwa boy.
Bheka elam ngilala nalo ngivuka nalo it's mine ngilala lento
Even
manje mangakuthi
natural talent.
sebenzise something ibhola la ngihlula ngazange ngisebenzise inyawo sebenzisa izandla for ukuswima
And then you decided on working on.
ngisebenzisa ikhadi esikela bheka ngiva
Mara uzama ngigolf.
Nah,
ikhadi golf mos
Or uzama igolf ball.
igolf angeke ngiphinge uzoshaya ibhola encane kanje ufike engobeni encane kanje bheka mfethu imaths isikela IQ shaya ibhola kanti Tiger Woods
so wonile ukuthi ayilele nyawo ibhola nyele kusebenzele ngcono ngisebenzise lawa alengayo.
mamela
I2.
Alikho yiwa.
Alike wata.
angicabanga lento esilungu bathini kill bathini
Two beds, one bed stones. Yeah.
mamela
Yes. Beds, yeah. Hey, ngitshela ukuthi isifunu siphelile man.
it's 2 eggs 1
One send boy.
2 eggs 1 exactly yangibamba
So maranta ngona kanjani ku Finsta talk?
my brother mamela
Let me post this dangling shit.
mntwana no mamela mntwana anjani re ifinsta grand sharp bebazama ukukopa yabona
OnlyFans.
yabona
no, guys.
no bayinjalo ifinsta phela
Some we protect.
Ukuyiprotect.
phela ifinsta upromoter lento oyithengisayo you know right
Hi, Mo.
Hey, if it's mama you can select ukuthi ubani obonayo nento iposta ubani ongayiboni.
Like close friends, like
I
only
understand.
friends.
Uyayiposta ibona yini abantu wena waziyo ukuthi bazothenga.
Konje malini OnlyFans?
Next episode.
That's a good
Next
question.
episode bheka.
That's a good question.
Ngibize next episode ngizokutshela. No, like on a serious note.
Angicela ningugulele ukuthi malini OnlyFans. Subscribe.
I think it depends.
Depends on the person.
Ufuna yini uthandani?
Depends on the person ukuthi yena uchacha malini ukusubscribe.
Oh yes, bakele price yakho.
Yeah.
Wavelaphi?
Ngoba nginazama ngivula.
Wazama.
Okay, tell us, walk us through it, dog. Like, what was going on, dog? Walk us through it.
Bathi nemali. Oh,
Mara kama ngithatha imali vele yazi shit. Eyishilo shit.
No, bafethu.
Big mama!
Can you call me big
Mama! Shut up.
Ngizokutshela ivarne. Abantu abamnyama ishangazi ngathini mntwana but yabona iOnlyFans like they sleep on it. Like this.
Izwakala. Sorry, Jayam. You still sing? You might imagine. John. Next.
I pretty price.
Coach wamlo, ewuthani manje?
Mamela mntwana like as much as like EPH like abantu abamnyama bayibambe late. Ifana nayo OnlyFans abantu bacabanga ukuthi manje la awuboni itwa ungasubscribe ungabhadala.
Yeah.
Like uyayiseta like limit yakuyasho ukuthi ukuyazini ngizobazwela ngizothi $1.
Mara mina ngikhumule into eyi-1 ezabantu abamnyama inkinga yethi i-1.
Umuntu omnyama ngeke subscribe mara umlungu yahlanya ikhanda.
Anginankinga.
Isilwane
Isilwane mivane. Mina uqabanga nabantwana bakini mani mazongena ku-OnlyFans.
La majwayele nabenza babagcoka imali
But I'm working on OnlyFans.
dog.
For my feet, though.
Ofanele OnlyFans emafithi. Oh yeah.
OnlyFans yonke into nesmile njami uyasibhayisa.
You can certainly try.
Unamadimples ungawathengisa amadimples. Mara kumele umeke sure
Ala for amadimples. Abachali.
Awubani wathi amadimples abantu abancane kuphela. Bazosishayela wena. That's why ngana nje bila amadimples.
Ivele stack nje nyapi lapho.
Namakhathayala sibaba.
Nyapha emkothini.
Your goodies are lapho. Mara, I have a question for you. Cabo, Nina.
Snowball.
Cabo na madrid. So, would you? Okay, I have a question. Would you rather be pregnant or contract? Is it contract or contact? HIV.
Contract.
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 Between the two.
HIV, uphuza amapilisi or you drink your pills every day. Say no to pregnancy. Ramadan is gonna be mine.
Uthini ukabonina?
I would choose you kuba ne-HIV.
Ngumntwana.
Yes.
Uduthi askisi into simple. Tanga we are shooting and the manje yabona. We are live on the podcast here. We are shooting. Yeah, we are live on the podcast. We are shooting.
Wakhuluma isilungu.
Baphuzile amacala.
Sure.
Ivala pasi yabo.
The question for when? Would you rather spatisa mntwana or ube ne HIV?
Nami vele ngingathuza yona ntwana. Wena uko right.
Wena uyaboshwa wena.
Hayi.
It's a lifetime responsibility.
Uyayiwelcome HIV. Oh,
Lifetime
umntwana
responsibility.
i-lifetime responsibility ne HIV nayo i-lifetime
Mara
responsibility.
this uphuza amapilisi akho ngo-9.
Yazi, what's crazy about this question? This the answer ngitshele kahle. What's crazy about her answer? It's the standard answer for amantombazane. They'd rather cooler than ukuthi babe nomntwana.
Wait.
Jesus crazy.
Oh Lord, athi
Sivela kanandaba nazi.
Yazi kwenzakalani mina inkinga yami i-1. Bafethu le youth yethu le generation yethu siyaphuza.
Kakhulu.
Fanele ngene endlini ngo5.
Ntwana.
And
Ekuseni. Amapilisi mele ungaphuze ngo8.
Yabona ke
ngo10. Sengiyagula already sengwesa.
So tell me ukuthi ukugula ku right kanjani kuleyo sense.
Hayi. Uza yena na.
kutshwala ngithi
Kanjani?
Masogula. Yilento phuza kakhulu khona ke.
not even
Khona usengimaziyo mina.
Uzohlala endlini na.
Mamela khona usengimaziyo. U-default ka6. Mamela. Isikalo ya. U-default ka6. Nginxa yotshwala.
Ngiyabonga.
Oh ubani?
Beka forced ukuthi achile.
Yeah. U-default ka6. Akafuna ukufa.
Hayibo.
Waphela mo default uyafa boy.
Hayibo.
Like mohlele sofeni unokutshopela uzivale ngengubo ngada wukho ngapha.
Awuyazi njani ne?
Yeah. Bese uyafa lo yasisi boy. Masithi ngubo mina ngithi ngiphuthi ngubo kanti nangi la ngithi
Uteng. I still breathing. Right.
Azi njani ngiyakuzwa the way you ringa ngakhona ubuya fair ne?
Hayi man.
That is me dog.
Ubuya fair jam. Beka. Mamela unga-explain. Sengiyabona ukuthi wayinyele singavini. Wonke wena Nkosi Johnson wena
Kazi ntwana ne if ntwana bangabuyisa lama advert lawa ngawadlala ngento ethi you understand ngalenkazi zawo Nkosi Johnson
yilabo shona lentini ngoba yilabo phela khona wes
hayi HIV yamanje
mamela
tangi
manje
manje ngathi yazi nabo Nkosi Johnson
Hayi
mamelani
yenza ukuthi
yayibona incwadi uba nama wave.
phela manje akithi abasayibizi ngeconcept bayibiza ngeCovid-19 nina ngicabanga ukuthi flu my brother
akhi COVID
mamela kodwa la yiwana usaphila ngabaphela
HIV yakudalele bekhipha ama wave. Nginokubona lokho busy siya wave.
niba round please
Angeke nifihla ukugula ngama wave. Bazi baningi ngibona
hayi mfethu maka wave hayi bengishaya iwave mfana like azi ngifila ngathi ngasikhathi ubheke mina
askisa ngarasa ya ntanga filmoni ngarasa ndoda niba round
oh hayi
singaqhubeka
izinto zokufa nemini in China but asikho la bheka nje amazi ngithini like imakancane mfethu so wena uzamutshela ukuthi abo baby mase bayenza lama bayiza ngama tricycle
Macron Rose
bayenza
tricycle
basathatha lento lengathi
i-twister
bizwani
iza ngani lento leyo
Pam
shaya like short hair pixie kombona ugelo shaya lento lemakaza so ashawa yilo ntuzana
right okay
ashawa ilanga from behind like mhlabuza phambili ilanga semva kwakhe koma ubheke ekhanda ukuthi inyolo ezinjani ngathi zi shaded ngathi khona ukuthi yabona i-drawing ukuthi mazo shader or ithatha umuntu makaza shader uzubona masosondela ukuthi
wenzeka so
usebenzise le ayini leya
ibiza ngani ikhela ne
angazi nami ukuthi tricycle or yini
ikhela.
what's the most recent weirdest thing that you've searched ku Google
mina
yeah
ufuna ucapha
yeah
yo
Masinga check i browser history yakho hey
Mina ngicela ningayenzi la kuzovela iphone.
mngani phela
yasenga
Iphone nami ku number 1.
yasenga
Subscribeile.
wena yabona le anto uzoyikhuluma manje
wait
asithathani la
but uzomjaja izumjida lento azoyisho ezumjida
makumenza angasafuni confess
Mama uthi ngiyalisenga uyishaya idlabe kanti.
it's free
Awushaya idlabe wena kanti.
nato
Namanga.
ngazingqinile ukushaya indlwane
this one ngithi ngizomjaja
Wonke umuntu ushaya idlabe la.
uthi yena uJohn
Ngingaphika neveni.
yasenga
no
Uyathi
oh okay
Ama 1 and 2s.
phansi ngibeka nefone yami phansi sikazi indaba le guys ayikho umuntu proud mina ngiproud ngayo yonke into
Yes, girl.
engiyenzile if bengishaye
mara besides
I was
indlwane
gonna so my man is very good with his hands so what's the use
okay
unaye everyday kusho ukuthi into eshayo.
besides that guys kanjani
uyadlula.
I have a follow-up question
It's a qed.
okay ima ngezandla yo sister mosumuntu
once ngone ngisho kanjalo
no asikhamba ne
I have a follow-up question mara ish uzosho
no ngizokutshela mina njani
Reaction yami leyo, boy.
yabona wathi wangena eshaweni kuba babiza ngishower shampoo what shower little
Shower gel.
shower gel dog
Yeah.
yabona sponge sabo lamahlavu wabo
Shani manje, that's new knowledge.
my brother
But
If I was DJing, I was gonna be proud
Okay,
about it.
no I'm not being proud about it
I was gonna be proud about it. There's no, like, I'm judge you get lost DJ. Like, shout out to you, Chant.
it's
Hey mina ngithaya umuntu onashaya njalo.
natural.
Like, I'm quite like it's under
Now you're shy,
at the same time, but then off same time.
Awukwazi ukushaya indlabe. Okay wait. Lo uthi akakwazi ukushaya indlabe.
akakwazi
Hey, yeah.
no ayikuthi awukwazi awuthandi
Oh, yeah, like,
ukuthi phece kwabanzima kanjani
guys, like,
Mr. Miyagi wayifundisa lento
Wax on, wax off.
it's gonna shine
But I have a follow-up question.
yeah.
When you watch porn, what are you watching actually? Are you watching umchita doing the deed or intombazana imona or what?
You
Mina
watch-
ngibhekele lesbian porn anyadlala.
no
I'm going to speak the question. I'm sorry, but now ngicela answer and then
Alright, sure.
Yeah.
What are you watching Kabone?
What are you watching
The
actually?
inside out. I get it. I put me get it. I put my
Ini. Ubheke uzito ubheke uzito.
Wait, I get it. Yes.
Have you ever watched lesbian sex?
Yeah.
Oh, in porn.
Naka come nan.
now be cannibal are you a cannibal oh
What? What?
cannibal.
Not anymore.
once
Uyazi ukuthi yini le.
once
Nah,
a
that's
cannibal
something
always a
Wait,
cannibal
what was happening njengoba uthi was?
Udla ikuku.
Nyazi like why were we lesbian?
Because I was attracted to girls.
no
Was.
no
Why you piggy?
akazi agcwele namantombazana straight for
So kusho ukuthi amagay
yena
akusamagay.
bekabi lento bayibiza ngebhayisikili
No, I was like,
Lil X Lil Nas X.
Yeah.
Konvethile sengumjita futhi.
Unama.
Sejita futhi
Uthi intanga sivele ayithola lo mntana ntanga ngathi umchintshile.
asibelieve lento le
yeah, but yeah,
Uzobagay
yeah. Once I tell her,
Awubonile ukuthi mengehlu.
once you go gay you don't go straight
Mobi ngaka.
Bathilekile manje maka ufuna ukuba straight ka.
Akana rage. Green nje. Ngiyadlala no disrespect to abantu
allegedly
they are fucking.
Hayi sizani lento leyo njami.
allegedly ayisiza
Ungathi allegedly uyathengisa. Makulungisuka
vele ngiyabhayisa to
Uyosuka ubani ukuthi intanga i-green light kuphela la.
hayi ntwana mina
Usomiza ngakusuka manje.
For ukuthi ngithi green light.
Yeah.
Akana red.
angeke
Una red akasitshela une red.
wait
Uyakwazi ukuminya makasuza wathi futhi imkaka asazi.
allegedly
Green lights.
Ele yabathi uyafistana.
amana ngathi makasuza ngathi ushangele ubase
Somizi bathi ufaka isandla.
isandla abafethu mina kancane
Yabo lento le nentshebe le. Umhale.
na dog
Complain ale yakho.
Umhale bahlala kasona.
Kaminile.
Ayekho right.
wo bafethu
Makasala.
I-break pad ingani? Phelile
Makasala kuyanyiwa.
Makasuza kanti umsuzo orikapa lelizo.
Khona la bekahleli khona kasona. Awuza wathi ususi yaza wathi hey. Uthi hayi sona lesi.
lazithola bokhulu azibosuka nje angibonanga nokuthi lento yabiphelele vaba lento yabomshado lebedlala kuma
Oh bahlukene manje.
bahlukene
Yeah. Bahlukene seyilo thoma leyo ukuthi
ukuthi bahlukene
yeah,
cishe wamfaka inyawo.
hey, Gagabo.
Bese akhathele isandla somizwa wathi awucabanga sifaka inyawo baby.
ngapha usomizi uyajima ne shuthi la makabhildi masile ubhildi size
Hayibo.
Yebona manje.
I'm sorry to put the thing.
oh my lord abantu abamnyama
Kumele
Yeah,
sivale ke manje.
record isikhathi singanani.
eish bafethu
It's only 40 minutes bro.
And last 20 and then siyavala ne.
bheka angeke sivume
Ngazile vele la khona usenda khona umsini.
Washo nothibele.
Ngazile.
washo nethibele
Vele. Ayi.
bathi ndoda hey imnyama Timen washo
Ubani?
Timen uyazibona
Timen.
I'm Timen Express
Uthini?
you should listen to Mona ya singile enye mamela jam uzovuka ngayo lale ngayo uzokutshela ukuthi uhamba kanjani Mona nto
Mara ngayilali.
Hayi no.
athi liyana ari kungena emlomeni leya la athi liya mfethu I would literally say ikwazile ukuthi save ipiano mfana because
Yeah,
ukucaba kwami
Yeah.
ipiano bekuyinto ukuthi uconnecta ne-instrument
Yeah.
umntwana flipped it. Now you don't listen to instrument, you listen to actually the message. Into ehluleka uyenza ukabza wahluleka uyishaya from the first.
Yeah.
Awushofe is not an instrument.
Squeezing on show. Yabona mawuthi umuntu wrong.
I'm not saying ukuthi
Ivale mfana. Hayi ivale mfana.
Vale.
Hayi ivale mfana. Thatheleni mic. Thatheleni mic.
Iphumula siyakhumbula ke manje.
Ekucineni.
Ngicela nimthatheni.
Lento isho. Ayiyo.
Ngicela nimthatheni.
If you had the opportunity to steal any celebrity's wardrobe, who would you
I would
go
still
for?
ex-Dabi and his closets. Still
Hawu uthanda naye. Bathe wardrobe.
Tanzania, yeah.
Why though?
Why not?
Uyagcoka babe. Extra.
Dabi, yeah.
Uqokahle.
Yo. I just like.
Mina mfethu ngi-understand into ye-oversize angingicamba manga.
Now that you've mentioned u-Extra
Soyizani manje?
Ecaba ntanga le ntwana lezi zase-Rosebank sengiyabona ukuthi style esabe basithathaphi.
Yes, ex-Dabi.
Rosebank moya le ntanga hoops.
Nice.
Bootleg.
Nangu uvuphi somunye.
Shaya bootleg.
Ma hoops. Mara wena keys. Wena shay phala lezi.
Sengathi ngumusa keys.
Nami ngidla hoops fela. Le ntwana ziyalidla hoops stop. Yakhumbula le hoops into ufuna umuntu ayigcoka izona.
Angila ivuphi leyayo. Parachute yeah. Hoops khona parachute.
Jesus.
Yabona laba ya.
Bagcoka parachute.
Crazy how we went from ayi ntanga mina nye ngizogcoka i-hoops ntanga esikele.
Esikela ya.
Ngeskills
After school.
Ngizwa because like ungathathe grey pants uthathe lento yamaZulu babiza ngani konje le ngazabo.
i-Brentwood.
I-Brentwood. Ungathathe like imthelo like
I can't even like angithandi yenza yo. But then ebafethu ngiyasibhora yo. Yes.
yo akhuleka phela
Ngelinye ilanga ngizophela inhliziyo ngelinye ilanga ne. Ene ngiyabulalana mina
And you
mangini.
look like a personal shashapeni.
Already ngiyaphela ntanga le.
mfana kaphela mina awusafana like uNkulunkulu wemela yenze ujele ehambayo inasibona khona ukuthi like ibhathu
Ngicela ukuphakama nje umsolva fast.
hayi mamelani
Fagela how much on your bank account?
awuzosifakela ini respect
Banaye.
inhlonipho
Athi sicela uyasimoshe.
Wena vele uqadile.
mara sentela bafehle eqileni
What is one miss? Let me just read this one because I wrote it down. Hey, dog, English, pela le. Mara, this question I think, hey, I want to pick prep yam. Zozibona manuts.
Hawu. Bele.
Mara, yeah, I have a question for you, ne. What do people consistently misunderstand about you or get wrong about you the most?
ntwana bathi ngiyafebe bro
Ntango yafeba, ntango asiyekwenye.
Siyakubona ntwana.
mamelani usiya
Yachana ntango.
Mashaya wena.
mamela dog
Wena ungangithengisa ipeni engayifuni like. Mashaya.
ngoba mele ngihle
Angajutha ne.
mara ake ngiphula inhliziyo mamelani
And yeah, you're awesome.
bafethu real quick
Amaxhosa ajuketheka
I
easy.
can tell you something you need
Yiwa jutha nama Xhosa.
but check but this is what I live with I'd sell you something that you're gonna live with for a long time
Okay.
but I'll never sell you something that's gonna break your heart for a long time
Shut up.
angazi kuyenza isense ntwana so
Wena uphekani manje?
ngibhayisile ibhadi angithona
La besilungu la.
mara ngeke ntwana ngithi kuwe ntwana khasa le beer le nje yamkhuleka uzongibona next week
Alright, uyafeba. Ntanga moving on.
Mashaya.
Shaya. Mara moving on.
Wena yini ebayithola wrong manje?
Yeah.
So, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I do love the petty aesthetic. And
Hayi.
now people know.
Yekele sengiyezwa ukuthi uyapi.
Oh,
Next question my brother.
Hayi dog
People think when you call yourself a baddie, it means that you're an easy target.
Oh.
Just because I say I'm a baddie doesn't mean that I'm an
So what you're trying to say is people think you're an easy target.
Yes, once you call yourself a baddie, in their mind, so easy target.
bayahlanya uyahana ibhedi mara
Yeah, bad bitch. Define a bad bitch.
Someone who's not afraid to do something
Thank you, girl.
outside of their
Yes,
comfort
wena,
zone.
girl.
Oh, umuntu onganandaba ukuthi abantu bazothini.
So ngasitshengisa amabele nje manje. Ukuthi awunandaba ukuthi
No,
that's what I
if
say.
it benefits you, then do it.
So you have the same answer as him ukuthi
Yes,
uyenza why makes you happy?
mamela ntwana mamela njalo yabona mophile life ini
Sure.
makashaya eclass leli yathela ntwana angimela ngizisole
Hawu.
Hayi ndo.
makathela
The edge.
Hayi labenza mfundo wakhe lawa. Hayi, baqale bashayana ngempama. Sekusho ukuthi
but ngizakubonisa ukuthi noma into yenzi angithi uyenza lento uyayicabanga first and foremost into
abantu abanyama bayangisa yona.
Ithi ngiyenze kanje. Ngiyaqhubeka it's fine.
Diphetha ngithi uyacabanga ukuthi into mayenza uyenza ucaba as much as abekele mic party knew that is going to put the mic down so angeke ngizoxolisa ukuthi ngishayele iclass ngempama or ngishayele iclass over
Yeah.
I knew that I'm going to do it
Yeah.
so wangishasha ngithi skisi mistake
Ah phela wena ngathi umashaya.
angeke kushasha ngiyenzile masimele silwa dog
Yeah, nami nginayo leyo.
yeah like ngishayile vele ngishaya ngamabomu
Yeah.
ngangithola ngishaya ngamabomu ngoba vele ngitutsa wena
Yeah.
ngizoyishaya ngithule ngibheke
Hey, khona
Siyashayana.
khona athi amengiyaziyo nokuyenza kanjalo.
engizama ukuyisho ukuthi don't regret
Unokuyenza into ngamabomu ne.
Kushawa umuntu ngempama.
anything you do mfethu
Oh yeah, that's
whether
true.
be good or bad don't regret njalo
What's that one thing you regret though?
ayikho
Mina ikhona. Ekhona isiso bengizidlile sinini. Eish.
Udle wrong boy.
Hayi ntwana.
Udle very wrong.
Hey.
Why?
Kusho keep condom. Hey.
What happened? Tell us context. Tell us.
Ah,
what
no
happened.
context.
Boring. Mara crazy dog.
Mina mangitshela
I still have
kumnandini,
questions
that's- yeah,
actually.
in
Hey,
context
wena
only.
Cabo.
Wena yini biggest regret yakho?
angifana like ibiggest regret ngiyayibona ngiyayibona khabo for sure baningi
No, and the value.
Ah.
Yo, maningi yo. You come to think about it. Maningi shem.
I like Kuzegi.
Tanga.
Ah, it's fine, tang, it's fine. So address of the podcast.
Hayi.
Mara, yeah. What is currently the absolute worst trend in modern dating?
Ilento content.
hayi
I thought about that.
content no just content in memory
Yeah.
Yeah, keep it to yourself. Since posting.
Ah.
No, send me a vlog. I'm with my boyfriend. Fuck you.
Come
you
on,
know
man.
why we post the babies and konje babies and the time print or timeline babies are feeling slow
Hey, wena neslu.
lento leya top ay mfana spam
Ushilo vele ushilo.
yeah
Shit,
yona
shit.
leyo ntwana
Yona
digital
leyo.
what food for it
Print, yeah.
njam that's how you create memory because like dala bebanganayo mama
Ngabe banayo.
bebangani
Bokhona ubu David.
Mara,
uzodraw estineni
Uyakushuta.
Don't you think ukuthi lento of rubbing like a relationship in everybody's face? Yeah, cause ukuthi ama relationship amaningi
Angalast.
angalast.
Yeah.
We want.
Why mina ungangishuti?
Because
Qala
they
thinking.
advertise ukuthi oh lo ngenza into kanje lo ngenza kanje now uzongifuna khabonina if I can buy my cat
Yeah, ngifuna, John,
you understand
ah amakanti umuntu bazana kama kanjani
Sikazi kanjalo vele.
wena uzomthatha
Hayi. Ngigrad ngistable. Ngiyakutshela ngizongihlanyela wena unzoni.
ahana manga khona lento entsha bayibiza ngithanda
Mina ngashangidlule yafi.
yazi thanda
Wena
siyabona usuyenzile
mara crazy that's like umjita most of ama gents vele shawudlula angithi ufuna usimoshela simosha wena
Uyamosha. Okay, yoza la. Bese ngiyamtshela ugelami ukuthi ngimphebhile ngadlula ungasabi. Yebo kanjani? Oh, let's
so
go.
an extra mile dog angeke amaratana I think we have to wrap it up
Let's wrap it up. Abantu banomona.
and wena ungasothile wena ngiyadlala
Sivala eli. Ozohlala la. Hafi. Asivaleni sokurawani vele.
Thanda sana.
Another episode siyabonga for coming. Siya.
Snowball
Hayi yangasabuyi
big mama from your boy pretty boy no kawonina That's it, you're wrapping it up, dog. What's going on,
It's
now?
rowdy, my
Calm,
brother.
dog. Nah,
Wrapping
it's
it up.
fine.
Nah.
It's fine. Calm.
Grand. Usilenda ufike nomsindo.
It's fine. Calm, dog. It's fine. Come and wrap it up, dog. We're tired.
Nah,
you know,
it's anyway.
It was a successful event, by the way, Izolo. It was packed, overdose. Dr. Ang text one. Unjebs. As a team, send we see overdose.
Angenzi loyo.
I'm like, yeah.
Mina personally ngizomela egedini.
Now, why, dog?
Hayi.
Nah, dog, I'm
Aye.
I need to, you understand, like, it shows growth, dog.
Mina ngine beef nayo.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, uzenze ngathi uyichips.
Nah, I don't think so.
Sini ihlangana naye lapha eParadise. Kwabona umuntu akubheke yabona engayazi le. Aqedile utshela leza ngiyabona ukhuluma ngami.
What's your worst experience ukuhlangana nomuntu ongathi une fame yana so?
Is that bacabanga ukuthi now everyone uyi-fan yakhe manje kuba ngathi
Yeah.
like ucabanga ukuthi uyamzonda ngizondelani ama-followers wakho I don't even motherfucking care about you.
Ngitshela story sami sakantokuzini.
Hey, masuhleka la ngiyazi.
Ayifuni la ngikhona le. Angeke bengiskime iCheraki. Iyasho ukuthi ngiyamudla yezwa kanti niksi impintshana.
Which intokuzini first?
Untokuzini.
Essay. Umuhle.
Esike saba nama altercation la eWhite House. Unasani wena ubiza mina ngosani uzokushaya wena sani. Indadala boma before COVID.
But you know the big people, like the biggest person, umuntu ongaziboni nokuthi big.
Exactly yabona mina ngiyamangala ha wena siyakwazi
Nah, okay.
njani like
Like the biggest person in the room. You know most of the time ongaziboni ukuthi big.
ongaziboni
Abo same deep so.
You understand? Every yonke angiringa na umuntu yamanga hayi lezi ikanje kanti because I think ama celebrities la I don't know ngathi oma South Africans. You understand? La ba a few selected. Yiba moshe this whole concept of being like like a celebrity and how celebrity life is being it's like dog. Because ukupopa no spin. Efika mpesi ngamachipa saringa nani.
Bayimosha.
Wale abesivala. Kawonino.
me again
Yo, it's nice. I just started going up.
Yeah.
Sani,
ngiyangithanda
wena ngithi supporter.
And you support
Support.
Who's the 2 days one weekend?
You understand? Weekend is
Yeah.
you understand? Bro,
True.
I love the support.
Yeah,
I love you, Sani.
Ngawari ntwana
Going up. Going up.
next time ngiyakubhadalisa yo
Yeah.
Ngababhatalisa bonke.
Uba hey cabanga.
Ngababhatalisa bonke.
Batalisa laba bafuna ukunyoba bangashayeli.
With that being said, boom.
Shapa ubatha shapa izokhamisa lento man. Tama khamisa yena.
From us, Shabba Production, Nigeria, Interrupt.